Song of the Wind and all its wonderful down first and then whoosh around bow lifts. I've got the sheet music here. This is Suzuki Book 1. And I'm just going to have a little bit of a singing and pointing turn, just to check that the tune is in your head before you try playing it, right? Ready, sing. A 1 2 3 E E E E 1 3 3 1 E whoosh 1 3 3 1 E whoosh E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E whoosh E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A repeat. A 1 2 3 E E E E 1 3 3 1 E whoosh 1 3 3 1 E whoosh E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E whoosh E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A. Let's have a play. Here's my beautiful posture with my violin nice and high on my shoulder and my bow set on the A string and my fingers ready to fall down. And we're just going to play our climbing up. Ready? Play. Great. Again. Ready? A. That was easy. Let's add a little bit more on. Ready, play. 1 3 cross. Get the one on. Oh, you ready for the walking down? This is my favorite part. 1 2 3. E. Whoosh. Land on the E string. Get your fingers thinking about pouncing. 1 2 3. And then we start again. Wasn't that easy? Let's do the walking down the stairs part again. Starting on the E string. Ready to slam all our fingers down. No, I shouldn't say slam. Drop all our fingers down on their tips. Ready, E, 1 2 3. A, 2, E, E, 1 2 3. Oh, I like that ending because it's so easy at the end. Let's do that one more time, the walking down part. Ready, E string, get ready to pounce with all your fingers, go. 1 2 3. Just 2. Yes. 1 2 3. Woo! Let's play the whole piece together. You ready? I will stay this way so that you can follow my fingers and get the down, down action on the bow lift first. Ready? Play. E, 1 2 3. E. Whoosh! 1 2 3. Oh, super! Now, you're already so good at lightly row. Let's play a really nice lightly row together. I'll turn around because you don't need to follow my fingers. Set them up. 1 2 3 4. Ready. Play. 1. Back to 2. Woo! You know what? I am going to do it one more time, just because I think I could make my 4s all ring a little bit better. So I'm going to have one more practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. If you want to play it again, you can just go back and do it again with me. I really like it when people do that. Let's play a beautiful twinkle. Zooming bows. I'll play the introduction. Ready, play. E string. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Woo! I like your zooming bows. Let's play Kookaburra, Kookaburra. Hope you've got your fast boots on. Introduction. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. A. E string. 1 on. Hop off. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Oh. Okay, my arm wants to do something a little bit slower now, like elephant, elephant. Yeah, okay. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. I feel like now I've had a little rest, I could do something a bit speedy again, like Run Pony, but with my tiny bows, not big bows. Ready, play. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. E string. 1, 2, 3. A. E. 1 on. Hop off. Let's play Dr. Suzuki next so I can have a little bit of a rest in there, okay? E string. 1, 2, 3. A string, then E string, then 1 on, then hop off, then 3, then 2, then 1. Great. It can be a bit tricky holding those fingers on during the rests, but with practice it gets easier. Oh, my favourite. Busy, busy, stop, stop. Ready, play. E string. E string. A string. Such a good job. Thanks for your good Song of the Wind practice. Big sniff. Take a bow. Thank you.